The few new shoes. Drew has new shoes. He wears them to school. The shoes are blue. Drew walks with pride. Drew and his shoes feel cool. Day to play. Ray and Faye go out to play. They run and laugh all day. The sun is bright. They have a lot of fun. Ray and Faye enjoy their day. The leaf and the tree. Reed sees a leaf. The leaf falls from a tree. It lands on the ground. Reed picks it up. Reed and the leaf walk around. The zoo and the kangaroo. Lou visits the zoo. He sees a kangaroo. The kangaroo hops high. Lou claps his hands. Lou and the kangaroo have a fun time. The storm and the corn. Lorne watches a storm. The wind blows the corn. The storm is loud. Lorne stays inside. Lorne and the corn wait for the storm to pass.